In this video, I will show you how to clear watch history on YouTube. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your YouTube app. After you open your YouTube app, all you have to do now, tap on this profile at the bottom right side. So after you come to this profile section, as you can see now, all you have to do now, as you can see here, it says history. So tap on this view all. View all. So under this view all, now you can be able now to see all your YouTube watch history. So as you can see now, here is all your YouTube watch history that you watch on YouTube. So to delete all you have to do now, tap on this little icon, three dot at the top right side. Under this three dot, now tap on this clear all watch history. So tap on it, the second option. So tap on this clear watch history. Now you can be able now to see any watch history on YouTube. That's it guys on how to clear watch history on YouTube. As you can see now, I cleared the watch history on my YouTube app. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.